سورة النبأ.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
عَمَّ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ.
What are they asking about?
عَنِ النَّبَإِ الْعَظِيمِ.
About the great news,
الذي هم فيه مختلفون.
about which they are in disagreement.
كلا سيعلمون.
Nay, they will come to know.
ثم كلا سيعلمون.
Nay, again, they will come to know.
ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا.
Have we not made the earth as a bed,
والجبال أوتادا.
and the mountains as pegs?
وخلقناكم أزواجا.
And we have created you in pairs.
وجعلنا نومكم سباتا.
And we have made your sleep as a thing for rest.
وجعلنا الليل لباسا.
And we have made the night as a covering.
وجعلنا النهار معاشا.
And we have made the day for livelihood.
وبنينا فوقكم سبعا شدادا.
And we have built above you 7 strong heavens.
وجعلنا سراجا وهاجا.
And we have made therein a shining lamp.
وأنزلنا من المعصرات ماء ثجاجا.
And we have sent down from the rainy clouds abundant water,
لنخرج به حبا ونباتا.
that we may produce therein corn and vegetations,
وجنات ألفافا.
and gardens of thick growth.
إن يوم الفصل كان ميقاتا.
Verily, the day of decision is a fixed time.
يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا.
The day when the trumpet will be blown, and you shall come forth in crowds.
وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا.
And the heaven shall be opened, and it will become as gates.
وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا.
And the mountains shall be moved away from their places, and they will be as if they were a mirage.
إن جهنم كانت مرصادا.
Truly, hell is a place of ambush,
للطاغين مآبا.
a dwelling place for those who transgress the boundary limits.
لابثين فيها أحقابا.
They will abide therein for ages.
لا يذوقون فيها بردا ولا شرابا.
Nothing cool shall they taste therein, nor any drink,
إلا حميما وغساقا.
except boiling water and dirty wound discharges,
جزاء وفاقا.
and exact recompense according to their crimes.
إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا.
For verily, they used not to look for a reckoning,
وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا.
but they denied our proofs and revelations completely.
وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا.
And all things we have recorded in a book.
فذوقوا فلن نزيدكم إلا عذابا.
So taste the results of your evil actions. No increase shall we give you except in torment.
إن للمتقين مفازا
Verily, for the pious there will be a success.
حدائق وأعنابا
Gardens and vineyards,
وكواعب أترابا
and young, full-breasted maidens of equal age,
وكأسا دهاقا
and a full cup of wine.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا كذابا
No false or evil talk shall they hear therein, nor lying.
جزاء من ربك عطاء حسابا
A reward from your Lord, an ample calculated gift according to the best of their deeds.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما الرحمن لا يملكون منه خطابا
From the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and whatsoever is in between them, the most gracious, with whom they cannot dare to speak on the day of resurrection except by his leave.
يوم يقوم الروح والملائكة صفا لا يتكلمون إلا من أذن له الرحمن وقال صوابا
The day that the Ruh and the angels will stand forth in rows, they will not speak except him whom the most gracious allows, and he will speak what is right.
ذلك اليوم الحق فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه مآبا
That is without doubt the true day. So whosoever wills, let him seek a place with his Lord.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا
Verily, we have warned you of a near torment, the day when man will see that which his hands have sent forth, and the disbeliever will say, Woe to me, would that I were dust.